Hello guys, it's me, Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to program your LiftMaster keypad with a yellow alarm button without using the wall console. So first step is to go to your garage door opener like this. I have a LiftMaster opener, an LiftMaster keypad. My opener looks like this. If you have an opener with side panels, the one with the antenna on it should be the one in case, and mine's kind of like that. Mine's in the back. So, let me just go turn the light off real quick on this opener. Ooh. Okay, so now that's the light off. We'll turn on the garage lights too. So once you got that, so after you got your lights off, so you guys can see, you're gonna want to go to opener like this. So this is your opener. You see those buttons in the back? You're gonna want to press the O button. See, it's going now. After you push that button, you're going to go to your keypad, put in your master pin. I can't show you. And then you're going to press enter. The light should blink. After you've done that, test your keypad by pressing enter. And the garage door should operate. So that's how you program a keypad. I'll show you what the keypad looks like again. This. So yeah. One has yellow light, your might have red. And your instructions on it might be different. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that's pretty much gonna be it. Okay? Bye.